For thousands of men, symptoms crept in unnoticed: fatigue, frustration, and a quiet fading of performance. Erectile dysfunction, once blamed on aging or stress, now reveals a darker truth: a chemical disruption deep within the body. New science points to PFAS toxins, forever chemicals found in water, packaging, and even food, that infiltrate the bloodstream and wreak havoc on hormonal balance. By blocking androgen receptors, PFAS compounds suppress testosterone and trigger vascular collapse. Blood flow weakens, nerve signals misfire, intimacy falters, and yet conventional solutions offer little more than synthetic stimulation, temporary fixes that mask the issue but never restore male vitality. The breakthrough comes in the form of a botanical protocol, a compound engineered to deliver natural testosterone support, flush endocrine disruptors, and recover systemic balance. Formulated with nitric oxide precursors and neurovascular adaptogens, it works on the cellular level to restore function. It rebuilds endothelial strength, opens blood vessels, amplifies bioavailable testosterone, and improves responsiveness. This isn't about chemical stimulation. It's about renewal, activating the body's own hormonal repair pathways. Thousands of men are reversing erectile dysfunction, reclaiming firmness and stamina, and elevating their intimate performance through natural means. In clinical trials, subjects achieved up to 92% improvement in vascular flow and endurance, with zero pharmaceutical dependency. For men feeling disconnected from their partners, unsure of their own masculinity, or frustrated by declining drive, the message is clear: your body isn't broken, it's chemically blocked. But now there's a way to restore hormonal balance, eliminate suppressive toxins, and recover what age, stress, and the environment tried to steal. This is the most targeted form of natural testosterone support ever documented, and it's helping men everywhere restore performance, confidence, and connection. To explore the full clinical research behind this vascular muscular activation mechanism and understand how natural ingredients can trigger instant erection and sustained sexual stamina, access the peer-reviewed studies now, access the clinical data, link in video description.